Hey everyone, this is a brother HL-3170CDW. We're going to enter the maintenance mode, check out a few reports, and resetting the fuser and PF kit counter. So in order to do this, maintenance mode is we're going to press the OK button, the go button, and the up arrow 4 times, all within 2 seconds. If you don't do it fast enough, it won't go into a maintenance mode. So right now the machine is reading ready. At least it should be. There you go, ready. And we're gonna go to OK go 4 times on the up arrow. So OK go 1 2 3 4. It should flash maintenance. The first report that I normally print out is the maintenance report, and that will tell us and give us counters. Maintenance report is, I believe, 77. So I'm going to hit the down arrow until we see 77. And it should be saying 77 now. So 77, press OK, and it'll print out the maintenance report. Alright, so on this maintenance report, it gives you the make and model, gives you all the firmware. You can see the remaining life of the different supplies that are loaded in. And so this is the maintenance report. Next off, we're going to print the test pattern, number 71, I believe. So 74, 72, 71, and then press OK. Alright, it's doing a double-sided. And here's a double-sided yellow, blue, and I believe it's going to do a half-tone magenta and black as well. And there's the black and magenta. So that's the test pattern. The next one we're going to do is, in case you're wanting to, I'm going to back out of here. Go cancel, back to the maintenance flashing light. In case you want to reset the fuser when changing out the fuser or changing out the PF kit, that would be maintenance 88. Go up a couple notches to 88 and hit OK. Now here it says reset fuser unit. You can scroll down, reset PF kit T1, reset fuser unit. So you can reset either one of these by pressing OK and resetting the counter. I'm not going to do that now because I have not changed out the fuser or the PF kit. So I'm going to back out of here and get back to the hitting cancel. Back to the maintenance flashing light. In order to exit, I'm going to scroll to 99. Maintenance 99. Maintenance 99, right there it is. And then once that's showing 99, hit OK, and it will go back to the ready state. Alright, that's the maintenance mode on the HL-3170CDW.